Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Regnaw in Anime Vanguards. First, you'll need to visit the winter event shop in the story area to purchase a Tier 1 winter portal, which costs 500 gems. Successfully complete this portal to receive a Tier 2, and continue this progression until you reach and complete a Tier 10 portal. After that, there's a chance to get an ice portal, which guarantees you the Regnaw unit once completed. Regnaw possesses powerful passive abilities that make him a formidable unit. His attacks have a chance to freeze enemies, offering valuable crowd control to slow down advancing foes. Additionally, every time Regnaw attacks, his damage increases by 10%, accumulating up to a maximum of a 40% buff. This self-buffing mechanic is key to his high damage output. To truly unleash Regnaw's potential, strategic placement is essential. He is a 4-placement unit, and a unique passive allows him to carry over all buffs from a previous placement to the new one. This means you should place buffer units, such as Subaru or Haruka Rin, to maximize their effects before placing Regnaw. Each subsequent placement will then inherit and amplify these accumulated buffs, leading to immense damage. Evolving Regnaw significantly boosts his power. The evolution process requires specific materials, including a silverite sword, rainbow essence, 3 red essence, 10 blue essence, 10 purple essence, 15 yellow essence, and 30 green essence. You'll also need 15,000 gold and 5,000 takedowns with Regnaw. With proper evolution and strategic buffing, Regnaw can achieve damage per second comparable to the game's strongest units.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.